You go to the Ceac website to check to see the status of your visa application. You click on the bottom one, and then you type in your case number under the immigrant visa case number column. When you type it, you type 2023 AF and then remove the preceding zeros, and then you type the rest of the numbers there, and then you type the authentication code. All right. Those of you who are waiting for 2024, you will type 2024 AF, EU, AS, whatever and stuff. Here it says it's at MVC. When you see this, it means that your case hasn't been scheduled for interview yet. It could be current, it could be processed, it could be processing. That is it. It's at KCC, because KCC handles DV lottery winners. Here, I type in another one. It says in transit. In transit means it is routed to the embassy. At this stage, if you have anything you want to correct, you cannot ask KCC because they cannot help you. You have to wait until the case arrives at the embassy. So when it is in transit, it means it is in motion. You cannot make any changes to it. And you should have received an email telling you that you have been scheduled for interview. This means that you have been scheduled for interview. So make sure you get your medicals money ready and be ready for your medicals. And the other thing is that make sure that you don't get your medicals done before you see this. So sometimes you might see this, you might not even get to see this. But this is to let you know that your case has been scheduled for interview. It has been scheduled. All right. So you will be able to check on dvprogram.state.gov to check to see if your interview letter is there. If you don't see it there and you see this, you can contact the embassy and ask for the appointment time. All right. When it arrives at the embassy, it will say ready. All right. Now, the term ready is used for other things, but mostly when it is in the hands of the embassy. If you have any questions, contact the embassy. All right. When it's ready, you see the number of people who are on that application there. All right, like we saw in that screen before it went. So I'm checking other case numbers to see what is the status of those cases too. And here, this one too, it says it's at MVC. Guys, know that at the MVC, it is for KCC. It is KCC. For DV lottery winners, it will be KCC. Even if it says MVC, it means your case is still with KCC. Some cases may not get interview because interviews are not guaranteed. So please don't get too comfortable when your case is at KCC or when the status says it's at MVC. Don't get too comfortable. All right. Just keep monitoring your case. Keep monitoring your case and know if there's any transfer you need to do, whether you need to keep watching it so that when you get your interview, when your case changes to in transit and you haven't received your interview letter, you don't sit there and miss your appointment. All right. So guys, here I'm checking out the case. When you type in your case number and it says it's invalid or cannot be filed, it's possible that you type in the wrong case number. Just look at your case number again and type it and see. All right. Or maybe you didn't type in the authentication code correctly. But guys, that is all. This is how to check your case status. Now, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. I love you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.